That's how we're gonna do it.
Helen Keller once said, "Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much." I am Rachel, and I am going to introduce you to the group, familiarize you with our group name, and present you with our group logo. We are the Gold Diggers. It was pretty difficult coming up with a name that we could all agree on. We had ideas like High Five and Miracle Workers, but we chose Gold Diggers because we all have goals to accomplish individually and as a group. Our logo, the shovel, represents us digging in to reach our goals individually and as a group. Our first rule is to get your shit done. This rule explains itself. We are all expected to pull our own weight and to get our shit done. If our shit isn't done, that keeps the rest of our group from moving forward. Our second rule is to show up on time and be prepared. As adults, we're expected to come to each meeting prepared and ready to work as if it's a job. We need to be able to rely on each other and the standards we set for everyone. I messed up. Over the course of the semester, our goal is to shed light on homelessness in Butte County and to bring to forefront the issues surrounding this epidemic. We run into so many homeless in our everyday lives. Finding out who they are and why they're here is a bigger picture that is important to us because they're people too. They could be our friends, our family members, or even us. Once again, we are the Gold Diggers. My group members will now go over other rules and goals, and I will hand this off to Isaac.
I'm Isaac, 1/5 of the Gold Diggers, and I'm going to be covering 2 of our rules we came up with to be most productive. One of our rules is less of a rule and more of a general expectation. Respect each other's time. In the beginning, we all had different ideas, but we've managed to share a common vision for our ideas by respecting each other's time, opinions, ideas, and suggestions. Take a shot every time I say ideas. We decided to come up with a second important rule similar to finishing a handle of Hennessy Black. Don't take on what you can't handle. By following these rules, we're improving our efficiency as a team. One of our main goals this semester is to give back to the less fortunate and eliminate their lack of access to services. We'll work together to give them enough products to keep their hygiene acceptable, though not much can be done after. There's a small chance by doing this that it'll help them get back on their feet and maintain themselves. You never know how big of a difference it can be. A clean human is a happy human. Our next member will cover our 5th rule.
RESPCT, Find Out What It Means to Me by Aretha Franklin. My name is Jackie, and I'm going to share with you one of our group rules and goals that will bring light to the statistic of homelessness. Our group rule is to treat everyone with respect. Be kind or nice to each other because you never know if someone could be having a bad day or not. Encourage group members to express their opinions and ideas. Listen to what our group members are saying. Don't talk over them or cut them off while they are talking. Don't insult or name call group members. Treat people how you would like to be treated. Did you know, as of January 2017 survey, at least 1,983 people are homeless in Butte County. That is 76% increase from 2015 survey. This amount of homeless people doesn't include the ones that were not counted, unsheltered, or have lost their homes in the devastating 2018 Camp Fire. Always treat others with respect because if you give it, you get it. And look around you. Anyone sitting next to you could be or are about to be in these numbers of homelessness. I will be handing this off to our next member who will be sharing a group rule and goal.
So this weekend, I gave this homeless some money, and his sign said, "It's one day this could be you." And I thought about it, and that guy is right, because it could be anybody in this class right now. And my name is George. I will be covering and raising awareness for all those poor people and students who are homeless and have to go to school. Roughly 1,500 local kids started the school year homeless, according to the Butte County Office of Education. About 33% or 500 homeless students attend school in Chico. I don't know about you guys, but I wouldn't want to go to school if I was homeless. I wouldn't want to be wearing the same clothes to school every day and smelling bad. I wouldn't feel comfortable in class. So in order to help these homeless students out, we'll need to work as a team and follow our rules. One of our rules is to ask for help when we need it. This will help us get further in projects and finish our work at a faster rate inside and outside of class. As you can see, we want to help raise awareness for all these homeless people and students and show them we actually care. To wrap things up, I'm going to pass this to Kaylee, who will be talking about our last rule and goal.
Hello everybody, my name is Kaylee. So far you've heard the group go over our rules and our goals as a team. The last rule of our team is to be flexible with schedules and be considerate of each other's ideas, situations, and availability. Personally, for our group, we have implemented this by deciding to meet each other after this class on campus in the library. We don't all live in the same place, so this was the most accommodating option. Finally, our last goal as a group and for our project is to make homeless individuals feel acknowledged and cared about, as well as drawing awareness to increasing population in Butte County and in students. Our group focus was on the idea of any act of kindness, no matter how small, can make an impact on somebody's life. If you live in Chico or Oroville, you are probably familiar with the vast population of homeless individuals. It is very common when someone, for example, sees a homeless person holding a sign or asking for change to just ignore them and walk away. We want to change this. Homeless people are still people, and our goal is to make them feel seen. We are doing this by making hygiene bags to hand out to those who need it. It will be filled with items such as toothbrushes, tampons, combs, and so on. Common hygiene is very important. It can make somebody feel good about themselves and feel valued as a person. We are excited to start our project and we can't wait to see the results of it. Thank you.
Woo! How much was that?